Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Polkadot from your Arculus wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Polkadot is a popular blockchain platform, and transferring it between wallets like Arculus, a hardware wallet for top-notch security, and Uphold, a user-friendly exchange, is easier than you might think. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have both the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and an active Uphold account. Also, confirm that you have Polkadot tokens in your Arculus wallet and that you're connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and enter your secure login details. This could involve using your hardware device for authentication, always a smart move for security. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to your Polkadot holdings. Select the specific amount you want to transfer. Remember, double-check the balance to ensure you're not sending more than you intend. Step 3. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll need the recipient's wallet address, so switch over to your Uphold account. Log in, go to your Polkadot wallet section, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: make sure it's the correct network, like the Polkadot mainnet, to prevent any lost funds. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount, review any transaction fees, and take a moment to verify everything looks good. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on your Arculus device. This might require physical confirmation for extra security. Once done, the transfer will be initiated and could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Finally, head back to Uphold and check your Polkadot balance to confirm the arrival. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the respective support teams and always use official apps to stay safe from scams. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from Arculus to Uphold in 2025. This process keeps your crypto secure and your portfolio flexible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.